Hey folks, my office had a few small inefficiencies that slowed me down each day, and I want to share how I fixed them. Each of these changes may be small, but they make my daily routine smoother. First, the remote for the screen that shows the security cameras was stored in a drawer. Every morning I'd take it out, turn on the screen, and then put it back. Then I'd repeat the process at the end of the day. A few seconds wasted, but completely unnecessary. Then I realized I didn't even have to take it out. By simply flipping the remote around, I can press the power button through the open drawer and it works perfectly. Problem solved. Next was my fridge. The door was hinged the wrong way, forcing me to twist awkwardly every time I needed something. Because the space between the wall and the fridge door was so small, I would often bang my knee just trying to grab a bottle of water. This fix was both obvious and easy. We just swapped the door hinge so it opens towards the room instead of away. Now access is effortless. No more unnecessary movements and no bang knees. And finally, my trash bin sat a few feet behind my standing desk, and while I usually hit the target, sometimes I'd miss, meaning I had to bend down and pick things up. So to solve this, our fabrication team welded two magnets onto a metal plate, and I mounted it under my desk. Now the bin hangs easily within arm's reach. No more extra steps, no dropped garbage, and the bin is off the floor, making cleanup easier. These are three simple improvements that eliminate waste and make work easier every day. Thanks so much.